In this video, I'll show you how to record overtime. An overtime is considered if the nature of the job demands working beyond the normal working hours, and it will entitle the employee for a pay equals to the normal working hours remuneration. There are various steps to be done in the database to record an overtime entry. Firstly, a workdays calendar should be set to define the default working and the non-working days. To do so, go to HR and Payroll module, open workdays calendar from C also. You can use the existing workdays calendar or click on create option to create a new workdays calendar. In the description box, specify a description for easy identification of the calendar type. Select the workdays by reset option or copy calendar. Click on reset to undo all the previous marked days and start from beginning to mark the working and non-working days of the calendar. You can use copy calendar option to create a new workdays calendar based on the existing calendar. Once workdays are set, click on Save and Close to register the changes. After creating the workdays calendar, you should set the schedule for the employees in the employment contract. Kindly refer the video how to create employment contract for more details. Please make sure this workdays calendar is set under the schedule. To do so, go to HR and Payroll module, open Work Schedule from the Service tool, click on Create option to create a new work schedule, add a description, add the schedule type. Under Workdays calendar, choose the required calendar and save and close. Now the schedule should be set under employment contract. Open an employment document of an employee. On the main tab, select the work schedule type in the schedule box. Along with the schedule, make sure the overtime has been added under accruals along with the rate per overtime. Once done, post and close to register the changes of the document. Once the schedule is added, creation of timesheet should be done. For more detailed understanding of timesheet recording, kindly refer the video how to work with the timesheet. A timesheet is used to record the work time of the employee. I shall show you an existing created document. Go to HR and Payroll module, open timesheet from the time tracking document, open an existing timesheet, move to time work tab, select the required employee from the time work list. You should use overtime duration under work type and fill the number of hours in the hours worked. Once done, click on post and close to register the document. With this creation, the data should be used under payroll calculation document. A payroll calculation document has to be created to calculate the accruals and deduction of the employee for a period. It can be created manually or can be filled automatically. To know in detail about payroll calculation, kindly refer the video how to record payroll accruals. Let's create a new payroll calculation document. Go to HR and Payroll module, click on Payroll Calculation Document, click on Create option to create a new document. In the department box, choose the required department for which the payroll calculation has to be created. In the registration period, choose the month of the payroll calculation. Choose the currency from the list of currency. A separate payroll calculation has to be created in case of different currencies to be used. In the entity field, choose the entity for which this document is created. In the Accruals and Deduction tab, fill the data automatically based on timesheet. Click on Fill and Calculate option. All the relevant details get filled up automatically from the updated documents, that is timesheet, vacation, employment accruals and deduction. You can see the overtime will be added as a separate line in the payroll document. Once done, click on Post and Close to register the document. To view the entry created in detail, check the option View Transaction Details. The overtime will create the entry Debit Employee Benefit Expense, Credit Staff Salary Settlement. That's how an overtime should be created in the database. Thanks for watching the video.